All right, guys, Vertical Nick here in the shop. We're going to talk about kind of a touchy subject, door alignment, right? Everyone's talked about it. They're afraid they're going to get their car back. The gaps aren't going to be right. The door's not going to close properly, right? And then from an installer's point of view, you don't know how to deal with the customer, how to handle it, how to explain to them the gaps aren't perfect. They aren't perfect to begin with. They're never going to be perfect, and cars aren't perfect. So we're just going to show you this car. This side is still stock. We haven't touched anything. It has the factory hinges. This is a pretty nice high-end American car, right? Well, check this out. Look down here. If you run your hand across this panel, or if you look down and you can see it's not aligned properly. The door is inset from the rocker panel. Up here, inversely, you can see the door sticks out. So this door is not perfect. These cars aren't perfect, right? You just don't notice because you have two hinges supporting the door. You're not raising it up and down, right? So I'll show you another thing that people point out. They think that with the Lambo doors, you have to shut it harder, right? Well, you can see I'm shutting this door pretty hard, right? You gotta shut it pretty hard. Otherwise, it doesn't latch all the way, you know? So that's something that people think is just for the Lambo doors. But these cars have good seals, and it takes a lot of pressure to shut the door. So we'll show you the other side now. We'll show you what we're talking about. So this has the hinge on now, you can see. It's pretty much adjusted. It's all aligned. You can see the marks here, right? It has the same issue as the other side, you know, and if you don't pay attention to these details prior to doing the install and point these things out to the customer, you might get stuck in a situation where, you know, you don't know if they're right, you know, that the door is not aligned right or not. So you got to pay attention to these details, go over these things with your customer, you know, and be aware. This door, see, you got to shut it hard. It's not just because of the Lambo doors. It's just because of the car.